Meet the Mosaic Builder form element. Inside the form scope, the Add panel reveals all available field types: text area, select, checkbox, file upload, and more. Let's drag in an input field. I'll give it a name and mark it as required. The type dropdown offers multiple field types to choose from. I'll stick with plain text for now, and I just realized I forgot the placeholder text. No problem. I'll jump into the Field Settings tab and add it there. Under the More Options button, you'll find additional settings, but I'll leave those for now. Next, a radio field. In the pop-up, I set the field name and define 2 selectable options. Here's what makes Mosaic different. Most form builders give you a plugin widget that you try to match to your design after the fact. In Mosaic, form elements are mosaic elements. The input, the label, the error message, all of them are styled the same way as everything else on the canvas. Click any part of the form, and you can style it freely. For example, I can change the radio button ring color on hover, and if you ever update a brand color in your style variables, the form updates with it. The success message after submit isn't just plain gray text, it's a fully designable state. Same design system, same tools. Clicking the form itself reveals additional settings. This is where you name the form and manage your form actions. And because every good email template needs to be dynamic, you can customize field content freely and insert your variables directly into the HTML email. More form builders style a widget. Mosaic builds forms the same way it builds everything else, with your design system. Now let's see the form in action on the front end. Name, email address, service selection, and a message. Sending. Oops, I used an ampersand instead of an @ sign in the email field. Let me fix that and try again. And there it is, a proper success message. Now let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes. A new form submissions menu item has appeared under the Mosaic menu. This is where every submitted entry lives. Opening an entry gives you a full breakdown, the submitted field values, and the status of each action that was triggered. This is Form 1.0, and we'd love to hear what you think. Drop your feedback in our Discord. See you there.